My first time looking at Lowe's in a snowstorm. So protein water is a thing. The blue one is good. The red one not so much. They also fed us pizza. Now thinking of it, the pizza was okay, but not the greatest. We um we got the pizza from Mike's and Mario's. I gave one of the pizzas I had 9 out of 10 review, but like the Hawaiian pizza was not that good. Cheese pizza was okay. The meat lovers and the buffalo chicken. The meat lovers I would say 9 out of 10. The buffalo pizza would be like 6 out of 10, but too much buffalo. But it's just the crust is so basic and plain and bland. Um, the pizza is not greasy enough, and maybe I was hungry, or maybe I was in a break room with a lot of people, so I didn't want to be negative. But that one, the sack pizza was about 9, but I guess overall, Mike and Mario's pizza, I would say 4.5. Um, I guess it's 9 out of 10 if you're really hungry. Yeah, this is the pizza I'm talking about. Um, yeah. First time having Mike and Mario's pizza at work for employee appreciation. Anyways, get to the point. One bite. Everyone knows the rules.
You tell him, Jensen.
The meat lovers.
It will be a TikTok sensation.
I would say 8.5 out of 10. Really good. Nice sauce. Savory. A nice ratio of pepperoni and ham and sausage, I think. Anyways, like and subscribe. I got me cheese pizza, buffalo chicken pizza, and it was really good. First time having Mike and Mario's pizza at work for employee appreciation. Anyways, get to the point. One bite. Everyone knows the rules.
You tell him, Jensen.
The meat lovers.
It will be a TikTok sensation.
I would say 8.5 out of 10. Really good. Nice sauce. Savory. A nice ratio of pepperoni and ham and sausage, I think. Anyways, like and subscribe. Like I said, um, anyways, like and subscribe if you like this video and leave a comment down below.